Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to enable automatic updates to the WordPress, so you never have to worry about manually updating your site again. So if you are running an online business or any other WordPress website, keeping everything updated is key to security and performance. So let's move to it. First, let's make sure your WordPress itself stays up to date. So go to your WordPress dashboard, click on updates from the left menu. You will see an option that say to enable automatic updates. You can click on it and you are done. From now on, your site will always be running the latest version of WordPress, no manual updates needed. So now move to the step number 2. So we have to make sure all our plugins updates automatically. So click on plugins from the menu. You can select all plugins by checking the box at the top. Open the drop-down menu and choose Enable Auto Updates. Click Apply and that's it. So this is important because outdated plugins can cause security risk. Now your plugins will always be up to date without your lifting a finger. So now the third step is Enable Automatic Updates for theme. So let's update your themes automatically. Click on Appearance in the menu and select the themes. Now you can choose any install theme and click on it and enable automatic updates on the right side. So do the same for any other themes you have installed. Now your theme will always be up to date. Keep your website looking great and running smoothly. And that's it. You have now set up automatic updates for WordPress plugins and themes. This means better security, faster performance and less work for you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.